Hi friends, in this video also we'll learn a BRS problem, but we'll do this problem very quickly. We'll not prepare the entire statement, we'll just try to arrive at the answer. Overdraft shown by the passbook of Mr. Srinivas is rupees 80,000. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement on 31st March 20. So let us prepare our working notes. Cash book, passbook. We are starting with passbook and we have to arrive at cash book. You are given overdraft balance as per passbook, so I'm putting star mark to cash book because I want to make passbook equal to cash book. Bank charges debited as per passbook rupees 1500. I think there is one more item common here. Bank charges debited as per passbook. Checks recorded in the cash but not deposited in the bank for collection. Bank received payment directly. Check issued. Interest credited. Yes. LIC premium paid by the bank rupees 2500. So it is also debited to the passbook. So now what will happen? This balance will increase. This balance will be lower. So what should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? I have to reduce these two items. So this bank charges direct payment and LIC premium based on standing instruction. This also payment. So hence treatment will be same. Checks recorded in the cash book but not deposited in the bank for collection. So in the cash book we have recorded a deposit, but the check has not been deposited in the bank for collection. So as soon as we receive a check, we record a deposit in the cash book, but it has not been deposited in the bank. Hence there is no credit in the passbook. Here cash book balance will be lower, passbook balance will be higher. What should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? I have to reduce the passbook balance by 12,500. So this item will be less. Next. Bank received a payment directly from the customer rupees 24,600. So when the bank receives money on our behalf, it is a deposit for us, hence credited in the passbook. But there is no corresponding deposit in the cash book. Passbook started with the debit balance and there is a credit, so balance will reduce here, the balance will be higher here. What should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? I have to increase it by 24,600. So this item will be plus. Check issued but not presented for payment rupees 6,980. Cash book, passbook, 80,000, 80,000, star mark to cash book, 6,980. Check issued but not presented for payment. So there is no presentation for payment in the passbook. What should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? Cash book balance has increased, passbook balance has decreased. So passbook has to be increased by 6,980 to make it equal to the cash book. So this item will be plus. Next, interest credited by the bank rupees 100. How to deal with that? Passbook, cash book, 80,000, 80,000. Interest credited in the passbook 100. We started with the debit, there is a credit, so balance will be less here, balance will be more here. I'm starting with passbook, I want to make it equal to cash book. So I have to increase it by 100 rupees. So this item will also be plus 100. Checks deposited with the bank but not collected 13,500. Checks deposited but not collected. It has been recorded in the cash book, but the credit has not happened in the passbook. So cash book balance will reduce, passbook balance will be more. What should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? I have to reduce the passbook balance by 13,500. Now let us try to arrive at the balance as per passbook. I'll just prepare a simple calculation here. OD as per passbook 80,000 plus items minus items. So what is the total of the plus items? 24,600. One item is plus. 6,980 has to be added. It will become 25,580, 31,580. 31,580 plus 100, 31,680 rupees, 31,680 31,680 rupees is the total of plus items. $31,680 is the total of plus items. And what's the total of minus items? 1,500 and 12,500 is 14,000. 14,000 plus 2,500 is 16,500 plus 13,500 is 30,000. So total of minus items is 30,000. So 80,000 plus 31,680 minus 30,000. 31,680 minus 30,000 is 1,680, which will add it here, 81,680. So this will be OD as per cash book. For the sake of ease, what I'll do is I'll write the items which I've added for plus and minus here. 100 rupees is added, 6980 is added, and 24,600 is added. So this is 24,600 plus 6980 plus 100. This is 1500 plus 12,500 plus 13,500 and another item of 2,500. So these are the items I have subtracted and these are the items I have added. We get the overdraft bank balance as per cash book as 81,680. You prepare a BRS in detail way. This is just a way to get the answer. Okay. In the exam, if they ask you to prepare a bank reconciliation statement, please prepare the entire bank reconciliation statement as we have been doing earlier. Okay. Thank you.